Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. So I know a lot of people are finding it difficult to get sponsorship jobs in the UK, like people from overseas, right? I get a whole lot of questions, a whole lot of emails, people telling me they can't find visa sponsorship jobs that much anymore in the UK, that the sponsorship jobs they are seeing are for people that already reside in the UK. So in this video, I want to show you those visa sponsorship jobs for people overseas, right? So if you're outside the UK and you want to migrate to the UK on a work visa, then you really need to watch this video to see all the opportunities that I'm going to be showing in this video. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel where I share content to help you migrate abroad, to study, to work, and to live. So basically, I share information that is going to guide you in your relocation plans. So if this is the kind of content you want to be seeing on here, then do subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you know every time I share a new video. Right now on my channel, I have a lot of videos that you can watch about how to migrate to so many countries like the UK, the Netherlands, Ireland, Portugal, Japan, Australia, Germany, so many countries, so many different pathways, the countries and pathways where you can migrate without writing IELTS, pathways where you can migrate without a job offer, pathways for nomads, and so many different pathways. So I have a whole lot of information on my channel right now that can be of use to you, right? So do check out the videos I have right now on my channel. They're going to help you a great deal. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all the support. Thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. You can support the channel right now by liking this video. Just hit the like button to show support for the channel. All right. And if you're a YouTuber or you want to start a channel on YouTube, I do encourage everyone to start a YouTube channel. And I have a channel where I teach people how to start YouTube channels and how to run it successfully and make money from their YouTube channels. The name of that channel is Jackie Finance. So go to that channel, Jackie Finance, and see how to start and run a YouTube channel and how to do other side hustles that are very profitable and all online. Businesses you can do online and make a lot of money. So do check out Jackie Finance to see the videos I have on there. All right. So let me show you these jobs. There are quite a number of them in different occupations. So you can go check them out. This is just to show you what really is available for you in terms of visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. So this one now is for quantity surveyors. They say quantity surveyors are required in the UK and with visa sponsorship. All right. So they are providing, an opportunity for quantity surveyors to move down to the UK on a work visa, right? So the employer has grown to become a market leader in the building services and construction industry. For this role, the company will consider applicants from outside the United Kingdom. So there you have it. And the location for this job is in Northern Ireland, United Kingdom, and the salary is 40,000 to 50,000 pounds per year. And additional benefits, are 30 days annual leave, accommodation support, visa sponsorship. They'll give you an initial 3 years, and other benefits like that, health plan and all. So if you're a quantity surveyor, you can apply for this. They need more than one candidate. Yeah, so they require a degree in quantity surveying or its equivalent. And you'll also be needing qualified or working towards RICS, CIOB, ICES, or similar. And as work experience goes, they're looking at 3+ years. All right, so you can apply for this. So they've asked that international applicants, for applicants outside of the United Kingdom requiring visa sponsorship, additional requirements are able to provide proof of English language capabilities, tuberculosis test, and clean immigration history. So there you have it. So you click to apply for this. So this is the link. You can copy this out and put in your URL. All right, so let's see the next one. Dairy farm laborers needed in the UK with visa sponsorship. So this is another job where they are hiring multiple candidates, all right? And visa sponsorship is available as they have pointed out. So let's see other benefits here. Accommodation is provided. Visa sponsorship is required and flight contribution if required. So they'll add, they'll assist with your flight ticket if you need it. All right, so that's it. So if you are a dairy farm laborer, you can apply for this job. It's also in Northern Ireland. Okay, no, this is Northwest England. Yeah, so you can go ahead and apply. Next up is a joiner and carpenter. So you can apply. Visa sponsorship is provided as well. So let's see additional benefits: company bonus, pension, accommodation, 28 days annual leave, and visa sponsorship. So this is real good. A minimum of 3 years experience is required for this job. So this is real good. So if you're a carpenter, then you can apply for this. I'll be sharing all these links in my Telegram channel, so you can check it out there, or the link is right here. You can also copy it out and check it out, or just go to Skills Provision International. All right, so building services mechanical engineer is needed in the UK, and it has visa sponsorship, right? So if that role is for you, then you really need to check it out. Salary is 50,000 to 65,000 per annum, and other benefits are accommodation support, visa sponsorship, of course, health checks, and all. So this is real good. So you should apply for this. 38 working hours per week. So that is good. 5+ years of post-qualification experience as a building service mechanical design engineer. Yeah, so that's good. You can apply for it. Next up here is building services electrical engineer needed in the UK, right? And visa sponsorship is available. If required, this position offers visa sponsorship. All right. Salary 50,000 to 65,000 pounds per annum, accommodation support, visa sponsorship, and all. So these are amazing benefits. All right, so you can check it out and apply as well. So next up here, assembly fitters are needed in Northern Ireland, so you can check it out. Visa sponsorship is available. Yeah, salary is 13 to 15 pounds per hour, and it's written here, visa sponsorship for applicants outside of the United Kingdom. Yeah. Also available is accommodation support, pension scheme, health plan, life insurance, and 30 days holiday. I think that is amazing. So you can apply for this if you are an assembly fitter. Next up here is hydraulic fitters needed, still in Northern Ireland, and visa sponsorship is available as well. So it won't be far from the other one. 13 to 15 pounds per hour, accommodation support, visa sponsorship for applicants outside of the UK, pension scheme, health plan, and all. So it's really good when they mention outside of the UK, because a lot of companies, they are licensed to sponsor, right? But they want to offer that sponsorship to people already in the UK. So it's always amazing when I see these ones that specify that they're looking to hire from outside the UK. That is amazing. Okay, so the next one here is vehicle mechanic, and you're needed in Essex, UK, and visa sponsorship is available. Salary is here, and then support sourcing accommodation. So they're going to help you to source accommodation. Accommodation is a challenge at the moment, so having them assist you with that is a good thing. And then chefs are needed across the UK. So this is like massive recruitment for chefs. So if you're a chef, this job is waiting for you, and it has visa sponsorship. So they're hiring head chefs, sous chefs, and junior sous chefs. All right, so you can apply for any of these positions that you qualify for, and there are amazing benefits right here, so many of them, and I find this very interesting.
So if you're a chef, then go ahead and apply. So this is about the role, the company culture, and the requirements. Okay, so you can check it out. If you meet the profile, then you go ahead and send in your application. Next up here is for car paint sprayers. Car paint sprayers are needed in the UK, and there is visa sponsorship, yeah, for this. So it says here, overseas applicants, please note the employing companies offering visa sponsorship for these positions. That is so interesting when they like really specify that overseas applicants, are going to receive visa sponsorship. And it's written here again on the benefits: visa sponsorship for applicants outside the UK. Specialist training is available, and you'll also be paid for overtime. So this is real good. So check it out. Anyone whatever role here that is for you, go ahead and apply, and also check for more on Skills Provision International, because there's so many of them, and obviously I can't feature all in this video, but I'll be doing more videos to show you more opportunities in the UK with visa sponsorship.
All right, so let me know what you think about these opportunities in the comments section. If you found the video valuable, then do give it a like and share the video with other people. Let them take advantage of these visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. And also subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already, and turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. Thank you so much for watching this to the end. I will see you in the next one.